Hi, Susan from Susan's Art and Junk Journaling. I've taken my acrylic paints and used pastelish, spring-like, or even maybe Valentine's Day colors to paint a bunch of book pages. My next step will be to do some tearing. Because I want to work on master boards. I will take these and turn them face down after I tear them apart and glue them onto either book pages or something as a substrate to make a masterboard, and then I will cut the masterboard into journal cards or tags. So I will take these and tear them all up. I did 3 pages worth. I've been taking my corner rounder and turning these into little journaling cards. This project turned out really good. I am very pleased with it. I think some of these I'll turn into tags, but I tend to like journaling cards over tags, and I don't know why, but I just do. I bet you've got a preference as well. After I go through and cut tags around more corners, I think I'm going to just glue on, make these simple. I've been working on these 2 packages that I got from Hobby Lobby well over a year ago. I think I'll just go through and just glue these on and make that a simple project. I'll show you some of them when I'm done. I'm going to guess some of you have a box like this where you've cut things out of books and magazines and cards. Yeah, so this is my catch-all of things that I've cut up. I've glued everything on that I've wanted to glue on. I didn't do all of the journal cards and all of the tags, but I'll show you what I've got so far. I think these look springy. What do you think? Do you think these look nice and springy and colorful? I like the pink on this one. It goes real good. This die cut was so big I cut it in half, and I like how it's half off the card. Some of these turned out better than the others. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.